Rank.EQ in Microsoft Office XE. I have example wanna explain you. Here my student result after they exam. Now I remove these result. And I calculate with the average score first. I click on cell and press equals. After type Rank.EQ function and open parentheses. Hold select on computer, English, and math score of student. Close parentheses and press enter. Okay, this is the outcome of average function. Next, I need to find the result rank on the orange column. Okay, click cell and press equals. Rank.EQ function and open parentheses. After, click on first cell of average function. Comma and hold select all the average score. After, comma and type 0. Close parenthesis and press enter. Here is the result of rank. Check please for the result number 1. This student got top score, and you can compare with other students' score is correct. If you want to sort this rank, now click on this button. Choose sort smallest to largest. Now, with the Rank.EQ is done. Subscribe for more video sharing. Thank you.